Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I'm going to show you that Zomato restaurant project in Power BI what I posted here earlier. In the last video you saw that one. This is the project and I have some comments. Okay, so just I'm going to clarify the comments today. So this is like a question answer session for this Power BI. So just move to the Power BI and then I will go one by one and then I will clear all the doubts if anyone has. So just let me open the Power BI. Close this and then just move to file open. Go to open that file what we work on that last video, project. This is the project file. Okay, so this is the project what we work on the last tutorial, and this is the dashboard. So I have some comments that the question is coming from the friends forever, okay, regarding the field map visual. Field map visual doesn't display in Power BI desktop browser. For him, it's not displaying that field map. He tried also troubleshooting. So just let me do one thing. If you can see that this Power BI desktop is not sign in here. Let me just go to sign in. Here I'm just using my Office Microsoft account. To the account. I'm just going to show you what I saw that one. The same. Just try to open a project. Same project. I just click to open that one. And let's see what is the difference after signing in and after without signing. Because I'm not a pay, I don't have any paid subscription for that one, but I have Microsoft account. And then once I click to open that one, you can see that my map is not working now. And it's showing that message is coming, Matt and field map visuals aren't enabled for your organization. Contact your tenant admin to fix this. Okay. Because I don't have subscription for this Power BI, so that's why it is not working. So maybe this can be the problem with you. So just try this way to fix it. Okay. So again, once we will move to the other question that Chiranjeev is saying that thank you so much for the video because I shared Zomato restaurant tutorial. I gave some overview and then the short video, but he requested to share the full tutorial for the full project. So after that I prepared that one. So and Rahul is commenting that it's awesome. Try to add timeliner. So he's trying to add timeliner in this project. So I have for the Rahul. Actually, this is the project we went through the project requirement. What was the required? What task we need to do here in this project? So that's why we prepared here. In that project required a statement, it was not showing that we have to prepare timeline for anything. If it's required, we can prepare. So for the timeline, I will just go to give you a small quick brief for the timeline, how we can add it if you need. Yeah, this is the sports store data analysis project. And then in the last video you can see I already shared that some data cleaning, or I mean part one of this project. So I'm working on that, and the final analysis and dashboarding I will share in the next video. So for the timeline, yeah, again we are coming on the timeline. So just you will go to the visuals for the timeline, go and get more visuals from add-ins. You can get the timeline, this one, and just click to add this. So once it will be added, then you can try to click on the add, and then you can see here this is import successfully. And then from here I'm just going to bring this, and I'm just going to customer table, just expand this order table also, and I have some states, and then I have just try to take the state here. Sorry, we are just going to use the timeliner for the dates. Where is the date? Just use the date, and then I'm just going to use the total revenue. So this date, yeah, this total revenue, I have to go to use the chart. And then I'm just going to add the total revenue here, and then against the category is that sports. So sports category, I'm just going to get the total revenue, how much each category is getting. So you can see the timeliner here is showing that yearly, quarterly, monthly, and so this is for 1 year total data was there, and then it's quarterly, it's showing that, and then you can see the monthly wise. So the slider, if you'll go to click on the slider, you can see that January month is total revenue on the sports per category, it's showing like this. If you go to increase that slider, and you can use it. So how you can use the slider for any visuals like this. Okay, I hope this will be clear for your comment. And then for someone is asking how we can find this kind of project like Arun. So for the project, you can find it here in the my channel, and then after that, if you want something to search, and you can Google it, and you can find the places like that to for the projects. And then next, can you provide link, drive link? My Git not working. So for that one, I already shared this full data set here on the my Git link, GitHub. And then someone, if they don't have access this one, so for your as per your request, I just provide the Google Drive, and the data is here. I'm just going to put this in the comment, this link, so you can get it from there. And then the next question, someone is commenting that switch function doesn't support in my Power BI. So again, I'm going to the project and switch. I think his question, he's talking about this. If you click here, you can see that control and click. So control click here, then I move to the second page, and then again if you can click control click here, then you can move to the next page. So just select this one, and you have to make sure that you use the action button enable. Just click it here, and then from here what you want to do, okay, from the action you can go and you can change that what action you want to do. Okay, the style also you can go and update that. So make sure you want to go to navigate the page, okay, and then you can choose from the drop down and apply the same. So these are the comments, and I hope this video will be useful for you. And if you like the projects and videos, so please subscribe and share with others to let them learn. In the next video I'm going to bring a Tableau project, which is superstore sales comparison by region, and this will be also a full start to end project. I'm just going to the start from the visuals, arranging data, and then creating some measures and required measures, and then the dashboarding also. So the project will be something like this, to compare the sales by region. And you can see that we have some maps, and then how we can edit, and then we can change the, we can utilize that map, and then we use. So just keep watching. Okay, thank you.